fine wherever you're watching this from. Welcome to lesson number 6. In lesson number 5, I was talking about organisms that belong to phylum Arthropoda, and for now I would like to talk about phylum Chordata. As I said earlier in the previous lesson, phylum Chordata comprise of those organisms which have notochord at their early developmental stage of life. When they mature, in some organisms, the notochord detaches from the body of that organism. Later on, then we have it developing inside the body as the spinal cord, which is protected by the vertebral column. That is the major characteristic that brings all these organisms that belong to phylum Chordata together. It is further divided into 5 major classes, and let me just write them here. Classes under phylum Chordata include class Pisces, we have class Aves, we have class Mammalia, we have class Amphibia, and finally class Reptilia. These organisms are placed into these 5 classes basing on the characteristics that they have. Class Pisces comprise of fish. Different types of fish belong to these class species, and therefore it makes you to know that they are characterized by the fact that they live in water and their body is covered by scales. But we are going to talk about that one later on when we'll be looking at their characteristics. The second class, which is referred to as class Aves, comprise of majorly the birds. The third one, class Mammalia, comprise of animals which have the mammary glands on their body. And we also have class Amphibia. Class Amphibia are the ones that live in water. Examples of organisms which belong to this class Amphibia is frogs, among others. We also have class Reptilia, and for the case of class Reptilia, they are quite different from class Amphibia because a bigger number of organisms belonging to this class occupy the terrestrial habitat, unlike the amphibia which occupy the aquatic habitat only. For the class Reptilia, we have examples such as crocodile, lizard, gecko, among others. I would also like us to look at another different one in our next lesson, because actually we need to look at something more, that is now characteristics of specific classes. I may look at the characteristics of class Amphibia. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to meet you next in my 7th lesson. Thank you very much. Do not forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.